Hey, what's going on, builders? Welcome back to another video. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple little hack on how to close your 2002 Honda Accord hood properly. So if you're excited, so let's get started. Okay, for today's tools, what you're going to be needing is the car, one flathead screwdriver, and a longer flathead screwdriver. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the hood. Okay, so now let's open up the hood. So the latch will be right here. What you're going to want to do is, as you can see, if you can somewhat see down here, this little mechanism is where, in the 02 Honda Accord, this little thing right here is the one that locks in. So as you can see, if I try shutting up the hood, it will not shut. Obviously you can see, but if it's, see, obviously it's down, but it won't shut. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little trick on how to make it shut, because it won't. Okay, so what we're going to want to do is, as you can see, right down here, this is where you feel like you'd push it, but you really push this. And once you push this down, it'll make it lock in, so that way you can put, obviously, the hood down. So yeah. So you're going to take either your tiny little flathead screwdriver or your long one. I'm just going to use the long one for this one. But as all you're going to want to do is just going to take this and push it down. And as you can see, I just pushed it down like that. And that's literally all it takes to shut this 2002 Honda Accord. And you can do this for any other car. But as you can see, what we're going to do is, I just had this up because we have no hydraulics to hold up, obviously, our hood. And we're just going to shut it. And as you can see, our hood is completely locked in. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, it's just, that was to hold it down. So that's how you fix it. So I hope you builders like that little video on how I'm showing you how to fix your Honda Accord or 2002 Honda Accord, or any kind of hood that has that little lever that won't stick down, the lever latch that won't stick down for the hood. I just showed you how to fix it. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and just don't forget to build it up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.